Define affordable housing for me.
So we would generally consider if a household spends less than 30% of your pre-tax gross income, then it will consider housing as affordable.
What would you say? Because so if it's 30% of pre-tax income,
Yeah.
you've got to know the average income of a potential area too. Off the top of your head, what are we looking at that number? Ballpark.
So usually we would say the median household income, I think it's around 50,000 to 60,000 in this area.
Okay. So 30%. So let me do some quick or give me the math. You're the math guy. Tell me what's the math.
So 30% of that is gonna be 15,000 to 18,000 range.
Okay.
So if you divide it by 12, you get a monthly of
$1,200.
$1,200.
Yeah.
$1,200 range. So
Dr. Chu, where can you rent some for $1,200 in Charlotte? If I got two kids at the house, $1,200 a month. Where am I living?
You do not have many good choices.
I'm calling mama and daddy. I'm moving back in the bedroom. Is what's happening, doctor.
Yeah. You do not have. So we actually have some numbers showing that the percent of apartments less than $1,000 is also decreasing very fast in this area.
Yeah.
And during the pandemic, $1,200 is very tough.
Yeah. That's almost unrealistic in certain parts. You're having to, again, people are having to compromise on things they never thought they'd have to compromise on from a housing perspective to be able to afford.
Yes.